Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you will be fine. And I am here with my new video. And in this video, I see some mixed type of heel, really beautiful design, and different color combination that look really nice and look really amazing. From mixed type, I mean some high pencil heel, some platform heel, and some block heel in really beautiful design and different color combination. As you see, this is a really unique design of heel which look really pretty and look really nice. And as you see, this is a slipper type of heel, and it also looks really beautiful. And as you know, heels are timeless fashion, and it's never end. And as you see, this is also in a pink color, and as you see, this is a really beautiful dark green color. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that goes with your every kind of outfit, like it's western or it's traditional. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more beautiful. And these ones with the same back and a same heel design, and that look also really nice. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so watch this video till end. And if you want to add some heels in your collection to make your collection more interesting and make it more beautiful, and as I say, like heels are timeless fashion, it's never end. And like in every generation, everyone like to wear heel. Like for comfortable, you can wear some platform heel, and heels are really beautiful in colors, and some really unique heels are in market now. And as you see, this is really different colors, and which color you want, you'll get it. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so on this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations. So do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So that's it for today video. I will see you in the next video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this video.